Alright, so this video is a really quick follow-up to the iMessage enabler video I uploaded the other day. And what it's going to show you is how you can fix the mouse issues in VMware Tools and VMS VGA. Because obviously you want to use those for proper graphics and to have full screen. So I'm just going to very quickly show you that this is the VM I was using in the iMessage enabler video, and I've installed VMware Tools, and you can see that the mouse is actually out of sync. So if I'm hovering over downloads, it's over the trash section, and if I'm trying to click Launchpad, it will click Finder, and so you can see it's out of kilter and you can't really use it. Now to fix this, it's actually really easy, but there's a couple of things that you need to do to make it usable. So if you go to Edit up here and go to Preferences and click on Input, you want to change Optimize Mouse for Games to Always. And once you're back in the VM, you'll see that your mouse is moving slower across the screen instead of as fast as it was, but you can now click in wherever you want to go. So I can click anywhere. And one thing that you'll have to do from now on is release the mouse from your VM manually. So you'll have to use the hotkey. So if you can see at the bottom, just below where my mouse is now, it says to return to your computer, move the mouse pointer outside or press Ctrl and Alt. You can no longer move the mouse pointer outside, you have to do the hotkey. So if I press Ctrl and Alt, I will now leave the VM. And so if I just move down, I'll just very quickly show you that everything is now aligned. But obviously the mouse is still moving slowly. So you go to System Preferences, and click on the mouse menu, and then let me just move my VM up. You can change the tracking speed of your mouse. So if I put it up to here, my mouse is now moving quickly again. So put it back to however it is that you're comfortable with, and you'll then have basically no difference from what you would have had if VMware Tools were working properly. And obviously you can now click in the correct places. But obviously you have to manually release, which isn't actually that big a deal because I'm assuming you'll only come out if you want to close your VM kind of thing. And it's not really that big a deal for full graphics. And just to show you, I'll just go to full graphics mode. And once it loads, you'll see that I now, even though it glitches a bit the first time, I now have a full screen VM. Although I think a bit will be chopped off in the video, I'm not sure. And you can see that the mouse clicks where I want it to click. So if I want to click Finder, I click right there. And so the sync issue is now gone. I'm not sure how that will work with if you have, for example, a Linux VM as well that you use. You might have to change the input system back to what it was without the whole games thing, depending on if you have the tools installed. I haven't checked that yet, but I can't imagine it would have any problems. So yeah, this was just a quick video to show you how to do that because I wasn't sure how to fix it the other day, but I sat up last night for a few hours trying to find a solution, and there it is. That's the easiest way to do it without having to change any kind of code anywhere. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to update more stuff in future. If you have any questions about how to do this, or something's not working properly, just leave a comment. Or if you look in the link in the description, there is a full post about the iMessage enabler and how it all works and how the VMware Tools bug is fixed and how it all works and stuff like that. So if you want to read through that, you can do. And if you have any questions, as I said, just leave a comment or leave a comment on the blog or something like that. So again, I hope this was helpful. I tried to get this sorted as fast as possible because I know it was annoying a few people. So there you go. You can now use a full screen VM for Mountain Lion with iMessage, and everything should work perfectly now. So hopefully no more problems. And yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be probably in a couple of days. So thanks again. Bye.